Namaste, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of trains in India. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss: the iconic Jammu Mail. This legendary train has been connecting people and places for decades, and it's time to uncover some lesser-known facts about it. The Jammu Mail, often referred to as the lifeline of Jammu, has a rich history that dates back to the Colonial era. It was introduced in 1926 and initially ran between Delhi and Jammu Tawi, covering a distance of approximately 654 miles. Did you know that back in the day, it used to take around 36 hours to complete this journey? Today, it takes significantly less time, thanks to modernization and electrification of the railway lines. The Jammu Mail holds a remarkable record. It was the first ever train to cross the newly constructed bridge over the mighty river Chenab in 1898. The bridge is one of the highest railway bridges in the world. Imagine the courage of those early railway pioneers as they ventured across this stunning but challenging terrain. The Jammu Mail takes you through some of the most picturesque landscapes in India. As it journeys through the Shivalik Hills and the mesmerizing Jammu and Kashmir region, passengers are treated to breathtaking views of lush green valleys, snow-capped peaks, and serene rivers. Many consider this train ride to be a visual feast for the eyes, and it's no wonder why. Did you know that this train is famous for its delectable cuisine? You can savor mouth-watering dishes like Rogan Josh, Dum Aloo, and authentic Kashmiri wazwan right on board. This unique culinary experience adds a whole new dimension to your journey. Over the years, the Jammu Mail has seen significant modernization efforts. The train now even has Wi-Fi, ensuring that passengers can stay connected while enjoying the scenic beauty outside. Now, here's a delightful secret about the Jammu Mail that not many people are aware of. The train serves as a moving canvas for local artists. Passengers are treated to a visual feast of regional art, showcasing the rich cultural diversity of India. Each coach is uniquely decorated, making your journey not just a physical one but an artistic and cultural voyage as well. One of the intriguing aspects of the Jammu Mail is its mysterious halt at Katra, the gateway to the famous Vaishno Devi temple. The train stops here for a few minutes, and during this brief pause, pilgrims from all over India and the world often board or disembark. It's an incredible sight to witness the confluence of spiritual journeys in a regular train ride. Here's a fascinating historical connection: the Jammu Mail was once famously associated with the royalty of Jammu and Kashmir. Maharaja Hari Singh of Jammu, the last ruler of the princely state, was known to have taken this train regularly during his travels. The train has adapted to changing circumstances and geopolitical events, reflecting the dynamic history of the region. Here's a juicy tidbit that not many are aware of: the Jammu Mail has played host to several Bollywood and political celebrities over the years. Many famous actors and politicians have taken this train, often in disguise or with minimal security, to enjoy an ordinary train journey like any other passenger. This train, with its rich history and iconic status, has been a choice for those seeking a bit of anonymity in their travels. It's rumored to carry valuable cargo, including government documents and even treasure at times. In recent years, the Jammu Mail has taken significant steps to reduce its environmental footprint. Some coaches are now equipped with solar panels on the roof, which generate clean energy to power onboard amenities and reduce carbon emissions. It's great to see the Jammu Mail embracing eco-friendly practices for a sustainable future. A hidden gem in the history of the Jammu Mail is the fact that it was one of the first trains to have a dedicated, full-time historian appointed by the Indian Railways. This historian maintains records, documents the train's journey, and collects anecdotes from passengers. It's a unique and commendable effort to preserve the legacy of this iconic train. Here's an incredible fact about the Jammu Mail that few are aware of: it's known to conquer some of the most challenging terrains during the monsoon season. The train's route traverses through regions prone to landslides and flash floods, making the journey a test of both engineering and bravery. It's a testament to the dedication of railway workers who ensure the train's safe passage even during adverse weather conditions. While the Jammu Mail is primarily a passenger train, it also plays a vital role in transporting essential goods. So, in addition to connecting people, it helps keep businesses running in far-flung regions. Ever wondered why the Jammu Mail is often referred to as train number 14033? Well, here's the story: this unique number signifies the train's heritage. The 1 indicates that it's a long-distance train, the 4 is for the Northern Railway Zone, and the 033 signifies that it's the 33rd train in that series. This numbering system is a fascinating insight into how Indian Railways organizes its vast network. The Jammu Mail has its own distinctive flag, which features a beautifully designed emblem that represents the train's heritage and significance. The flag is raised ceremoniously at the start of each journey, and it's a symbol of pride for those who serve on the train. One fascinating aspect of the Jammu Mail's history is its connection to the postal system. In its earlier days, this train was used to transport mail and parcels across long distances. So, not only did it carry passengers, but it was also an essential link in the communication network of its time. Here's a captivating fact about the Jammu Mail: it played a pivotal role in the development of Jammu Tawi as a prominent railway junction. The consistent service of this train contributed significantly to the growth of the city and its transformation into a vital railway hub. It's a testament to how a single train can shape the destiny of a place. The capsule is set to be opened during the train's bicentennial celebration, offering future generations a glimpse into the past. While the Jammu Mail is primarily a domestic train, it has historic connections to international rail networks. Before the partition of India in 1947, it was possible to travel from Jammu to places like Lahore and Karachi in Pakistan via rail, making the Jammu Mail a part of an extensive regional rail system. This international connection adds an extra layer of intrigue to the train's history. Several books, poems, and artworks have been created based on the experiences and stories associated with this train. A lesser-known fact is that the Jammu Mail faced multiple challenges throughout its history, including natural disasters and conflicts. Yet, it persevered, serving as a symbol of resilience and continuity. Here's an extraordinary and lesser-known fact about the Jammu Mail: it occasionally encounters unexpected wildlife encounters. Due to its route through scenic and often remote areas, passengers have reported sightings of various animals, including deer, leopards, and even the elusive snow leopard. So, if you're on the Jammu Mail, keep an eye out for these amazing creatures during your journey. Did you know that the Jammu Mail once had its own catchy jingle? It was used in promotional campaigns during the mid-20th century to attract travelers. The jingle's nostalgic melody and lyrics captured the essence of the journey. In regions along the Jammu Mail's route, there are countless folktales and legends associated with the train. The Jammu Mail has made appearances in Indian cinema, often serving as a backdrop for dramatic and romantic scenes. Several Bollywood movies have featured this iconic train, making it a symbol of love and adventure on the silver screen. It's fascinating to see how the train has transcended reality to become a part of Indian cinematic culture. One fascinating and lesser-known fact about the Jammu Mail is its unique ability to traverse multiple railway gauges. The train starts its journey on broad gauge tracks in the northern plains of India and transitions to meter gauge tracks as it approaches Jammu Tawi. This adaptability showcases the Indian Railways' engineering prowess and their commitment to connecting diverse regions. The train's schedule was modified to accommodate their movements, making it an important mode of transportation for those fighting for India's freedom. This marathon is organized in the Jammu region and attracts participants from all over India. Runners compete in various categories and races inspired by the train's historic journey. A lesser-known but remarkable fact about the Jammu Mail is its association with the Indian freedom struggle. During the Quit India movement of 1942, the train played a significant role in transporting freedom fighters to various parts of the country for organizing and leading protests against British rule. The Jammu Mail became a symbol of defiance against colonial oppression. Passengers and railway staff often share stories of unusual occurrences and inexplicable happenings in this particular coach, making it somewhat of a legend among travelers. The train's route passes through regions that were once part of the ancient trade routes linking India with Central Asia and beyond. The Jammu Mail follows in the footsteps of centuries-old trade and cultural exchanges, connecting the past with the present. Members of royal families from princely states would frequently travel on this train, adding an air of elegance and luxury to the journey. Here's a captivating and lesser-known tradition associated with the Jammu Mail: the green flag tradition. Every year, on a special day, passengers aboard the Jammu Mail are surprised with a unique ceremony where a green flag is hoisted at a station along the route. This flag symbolizes a wish for good fortune and safe travels for all passengers on the train. It's a heartwarming and unexpected tradition that adds a touch of magic to the journey. The Jammu Mail has inspired numerous novels and works of fiction over the years. Several authors have been drawn to the train's historical significance, its diverse passengers, and the incredible landscapes it passes through. The Jammu Mail has been the subject of many timeless songs in Indian music. Renowned artists have composed melodies that celebrate the train's journey, the scenic beauty it offers, and the emotions it evokes among passengers. Here's a delightful fact about the Jammu Mail: it has a special connection with holidays. The train's schedule is often modified during festive seasons and holidays to accommodate the increased number of travelers. It becomes a lifeline for those wanting to visit their families during these special times. The Jammu Mail brings the gift of togetherness to countless families during holidays. In recent years, the Jammu Mail has actively participated in eco-conservation initiatives. The train's stations and carriages are adorned with greenery, and it actively promotes responsible tourism and eco-friendly practices among its passengers. It's heartening to see the train taking steps to preserve the natural beauty it passes through. Few know that the Jammu Mail carries a well-equipped medical kit and has medical staff on board to provide assistance in case of emergencies. This service ensures that passengers can travel with peace of mind, knowing that medical aid is readily available if needed. It's a comforting fact for passengers, especially those on long journeys. One astonishing fact about the Jammu Mail is its impeccable safety record. Throughout its long history, the train has maintained a remarkable safety record with very few accidents or incidents, a testament to the diligence and dedication of railway personnel. It's a tribute to the collective efforts of those who ensure the train's safe operations. And there you have it, a final collection of lesser-known facts about the iconic Jammu Mail. This train, with its holiday spirit, commitment to eco-conservation, medical assistance, and impeccable safety record, continues to be a source of pride for India's railway network. If you have more intriguing facts, stories, or personal experiences related to the Jammu Mail that you'd like to share, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, remember that the Jammu Mail is more than just a train. It's a symbol of comfort, safety, and the spirit of exploration, and it continues to be a cherished part of India's railway heritage. Shubh Yatra, safe travels.